Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
CBAP Business Analysis Professional. Lecture 7, Requirements Analysis and Design Definition. Requirements analysis and design definition are crucial phases in the software development life cycle, SDLC, particularly in the context of engineering software systems. Let's break down each of these phases. 1. Requirements analysis. Purpose. This phase aims to understand and document the needs and constraints of the stakeholders. It involves gathering, documenting, and analyzing requirements from various perspectives, such as business, user, functional, and non-functional requirements. Activities. A. Requirement elicitation, interacting with stakeholders to understand their needs, often through interviews, surveys, workshops, and observations. B. Requirement analysis, analyzing gathered requirements for feasibility, consistency, completeness, and relevance. C. Requirement documentation, documenting requirements in a clear and concise manner, usually in the form of a requirement specification document. D. Requirement validation, ensuring that the documented requirements accurately reflect the stakeholders' needs and are verifiable. E. Outputs, requirement specification document, use cases, user stories, prototypes, etc. 2. Design definition. Purpose. This phase involves transforming the requirements into a design solution that meets those requirements. It focuses on defining the architecture, components, interfaces, and other design aspects of the system. Activities. A. Architectural design, defining the overall structure of the system, including high-level components, their interactions, and the allocation of functionality. B. Detailed design, elaborating on the architectural design by specifying the internal structure of components, their interfaces, data structures, algorithms, etc. C. Interface design, designing interfaces between system components, as well as user interfaces. D. Data design, designing the data structures and databases necessary to support the system's functionality. E. Outputs, design documents, e.g., architectural design documents, detailed design documents, interface prototypes, database schema, etc. Relationship between requirements analysis and design definition. A. Requirements analysis provides the foundation for design definition. It ensures that the design solution aligns with the stakeholders' needs and requirements. B. Design definition refines and elaborates on the requirements, providing a blueprint for implementing the system. C. There's an iterative relationship between these phases. As the design evolves, it may reveal new requirements or insights, which may require revisiting the requirements analysis phase.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.